went out to deliver some wood and ended up back with the project.
Oh yeah, take a picture before we clean it.
Oh yeah. Wow.
I see where we're gonna have to find one to replace it. I wonder who's
Alright guys, so last time failed to get it up and going. Tried to pull start it. So back to the drawing board. We're gonna see what else we can do to try to get it up and going. Got it up, got it going. So we cleaned up the plug. It wasn't really getting the gas in there. Didn't have really much oil, so we filled her up, see what's up. Bike, it mixes the gas. It's just plain gas here and then the oil here. You don't have to pre-mix or nothing.
Yeah?
We repaired this right here, cleaned up the car, rebuilt it, put a clutch, put everything. We still don't got a Kickstarter, but we did the filter on the other side. That was a rag with the thing on it. We've done a lot of work to it so far. We're about to start it up for good. Just one more turn and it's gonna start. Got all the paint off. Cleaned it up so we could paint it black because that's the color they wanted it. You've seen the pictures of how it looked before. It was all red. But now we got it. A jungle. Right on.